Everything begins in silence, and the very first rays of the morning sun, as busy footsteps begin to fill the hallways. Yet silence, too, has a story of its own to tell, and every single page holds a hidden dream, a future that is just waiting to be discovered, and these hands grow ever more confident. A gate that is far more determined than before, a completely different focus on what matters, yet the very same unwavering commitment remains. The knowledge we gain becomes a deep sense of responsibility, and that responsibility eventually blossoms into a higher calling. It is the quiet, steady creation of all that we are becoming. Well, you see, every single story has to begin somewhere, doesn't it? And this particular one begins at the Faculty of Medicine in Bosnia.